Homeowners in West Jordan are always looking for ways to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance the value of their properties. While upgrades such as insulation and replacement windows often receive the most attention, modern patio doors can also play a significant role in improving a home's energy efficiency. Today's patio doors are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help minimize energy loss while maintaining the beauty and functionality homeowners expect. Whether connecting a living room to a backyard patio or providing access to an outdoor entertainment area, modern patio doors offer a combination of style, convenience, and energy-saving performance that can benefit homeowners for years to come. How patio doors affect energy efficiency. Patio doors typically feature large glass panels that allow natural light to enter the home and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. While this design offers many aesthetic advantages, older patio doors can sometimes become a source of energy loss. Drafts, worn seals, outdated glass, and inefficient frames may allow heat to transfer more easily between the indoors and outdoors. As a result, heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Modern patio doors are engineered to address these concerns through improved insulation, advanced glass technology, and tighter sealing systems. Advanced glass technology. One of the biggest improvements in modern patio door design is the use of energy-efficient glass. Many patio doors now feature double-pane or triple-pane glass systems that create insulating layers between the panes. These layers help reduce heat transfer and improve thermal performance throughout the year. Additionally, many manufacturers use argon or krypton gas fills between the glass panes. These gases provide better insulation than ordinary air, helping maintain more stable indoor temperatures. This advanced glass construction allows homeowners to enjoy expansive views and natural light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings are another important feature found in many modern patio doors. These microscopic coatings help reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through the glass. During warmer months, low-E coatings help reduce solar heat gain, preventing indoor spaces from becoming excessively warm. During cooler periods, they help retain interior heat. The result is a more comfortable living environment and improved overall energy performance. For West Jordan homeowners, low-E glass can be a valuable feature that supports year-round comfort. Improved frame materials. The frame surrounding a patio door plays an important role in its overall efficiency. Modern patio doors are available in materials such as vinyl fiberglass composite materials, thermally improved aluminum. These materials provide stronger insulation than many older door systems. They help reduce heat transfer and improve the performance of the entire patio door assembly. Many modern frames also include internal insulating chambers that further enhance energy efficiency while maintaining durability and structural strength. Better weather stripping and seals. Air leakage is one of the most common causes of energy loss around patio doors. Over time, older doors may develop gaps that allow conditioned indoor air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Even small leaks can affect comfort and increase energy consumption. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced weather stripping and precision-engineered seals that help create a tighter barrier against air infiltration. These improved sealing systems help maintain consistent indoor temperatures while reducing drafts and energy waste. Supporting HVAC efficiency. When patio doors provide effective insulation and minimize air leakage, heating and cooling systems can operate more efficiently. A home that loses less energy through doors and windows places less strain on HVAC equipment. This can help maintain comfortable indoor conditions while reducing the frequency and intensity of heating and cooling cycles. Over time, improved efficiency may contribute to lower utility costs and support the long-term performance of HVAC systems. Maximizing natural light. Modern patio doors allow homeowners to take advantage of abundant natural light without compromising energy performance. The large glass areas brighten interior spaces and may reduce the need for artificial lighting during daylight hours. Natural light can also make rooms feel larger, more inviting, and more enjoyable to use. With today's energy-efficient glass technologies, homeowners can enjoy these benefits while minimizing unwanted heat transfer. Enhancing indoor comfort. Energy efficiency is closely tied to comfort. Drafts, hot spots, and temperature fluctuations near older patio doors can make certain areas of a home less enjoyable. Modern patio doors help create a more stable indoor environment by reducing air leakage and improving insulation. Many homeowners notice greater comfort throughout the year after upgrading to newer patio door systems. This enhanced comfort is often one of the most appreciated benefits of the investment. Increasing home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to many homebuyers. Modern patio doors offer a combination of visual appeal, functionality, and performance that can enhance a property's marketability. Potential buyers often appreciate features that help improve comfort and reduce future energy expenses. As a result, energy-efficient patio doors can contribute positively to overall home value. A smart upgrade for West Jordan homeowners. Modern patio doors provide much more than convenient access to outdoor spaces. Their advanced glass systems, insulated frames, low-E coatings, and improved sealing technologies help create a more energy-efficient home while enhancing comfort and appearance. For homeowners in West Jordan, investing in modern patio doors is a practical way to improve energy performance, reduce energy loss, and enjoy a brighter, more comfortable living environment. With long-term savings and year-round benefits, energy-efficient patio doors remain a smart upgrade that adds lasting value to any home.